I think it's a dud. Today we're going to be doing a little backyard project, a little Walmart inflatable swimming pool in this area right here. Bluescape fast set pool was on sale on walmart.com for $68, a pump and a filter. And we have a tarp that we're going to lay on the wood chips. Oh, you okay?
Yeah.
I bopped you in the nose? Okay.
Hit that like button.
Right there is good.
That's a long time.
Let's just fold it back like this. This is not really a permanent pool setup. This is just a summer fun thing. It's already over 100 degrees. Let's see what we got here. This looks like the pool itself. Some connections and fittings, and the pump. Hoses, the pump itself. Box is done. All right. We got some hoses, some fittings, more hoses, the pump itself, and then the pool. I just ran through the instructions, and their legitimacy is questionable at best. As soon as we got to get the pool up and inflated and stuff, and then we connect the hoses and tighten all the fittings down, and then fill it with water.
Daddy.
Yeah.
I got you water.
Thank you. Mac, help me open this.
See there?
Can you grab that? The white part is the top. We need that to be like a circle. It's the biggest pool we've ever had.
Yeah.
Alright. So now we got to set it down exactly where we want it. Gotta get the bottom nice and flat. Next, we're gonna put our hoses on. Right there.
Okay, is that good?
So the pump is all hooked up.
Imagine we put Orbeez in here.
All right. Whew, it is so hot. We're gonna run 2 hoses to try and get it filled up fast. Under. Okay.
Yeah.
Gotta untangle it, sir.
How about we just open
No,
that door?
it's still gotta get untangled, whether this is open or not. It's gonna all fill up on this side first, because it's on a hill. We got all the hoses untangled, and they're both actively filling up the pool now. Now we wait. All right, so just a couple of updates on the pool. If you're really particular, you're really gonna wanna install this pool on a perfectly level flat surface, because when it fills up, the sides bulge out and it causes it to kind of be a little bit wider at the bottom. If it's not level, it's not gonna fill up even across. For my intents and purposes, it doesn't bother me, so I'm good with it. Tighten it up as much as possible. I don't know how we ended up so far over on this side. So by no means is this a pro installation. We definitely got it leaning that way. Once we get a few hundred more gallons in here, I think it'll be a good time. It is so hot though. Like 105 today. It's been filling up for a little bit. I think we might have a little bit of a problem though. Incredibly lopsided here. Now, I'm not sure how to fix this. Really lopsided. I think it's just because of the hill. Turn it into an oval instead of a circle. Well, given its kind of awkward position here, I think that's about all the water I can fill it. Once it hit a certain point, it kind of started stretching into that oval shape. I'm worried that if I fill it anymore, it's gonna start spewing over. Just looks ugly. There we go. Whatever. That's what you get for $68. $68 Walmart pool. Let's play in it. Let's try the pump. It's like a giant bag. So what I'm gonna do next time I set it up is I'm going to flip the tarp sideways. So that's something I learned. Level it out a little better next time and grade it out. But for this, we're just gonna run it and test it out. See how it goes. Let me know what you guys think. I think it's a dud. All right, gonna hook up the pump now. Let the air out. And it appears to be flowing new water in. Yep, there it goes.
Hold on a second, no. That is cool, baby.
Yeah, see how there's like a cave under there now?
Watch out, guys. Here I go.
Nice. I would say it's definitely a hit, despite its lack of beauty, I'll say. Definitely gonna get the job done. Go in the cave. Everybody go in the cave. Go. Go all the way in there. Yeah?
It's too heavy. Okay, here I go.
What do you think,
This
Matt?
is great.
What do you think, Caesar?
Wait! No! I got you again! We're gonna do a ginormous cannonball. Ready, set, go!
Ready, set, go. We're not wrestling, are we? Well, if you enjoyed this video of us putting that pool together, smash that like button, consider subscribing, make sure you check out our other videos, and we'll catch you on the next one. Adios.